Welcome to HexCon24. This year, we started pushing around into the new product line, into the new functionality stage.
One of the major player in a Gartner market guide for Unified Endpoint Management.
Data is going to be the major thing that transitions this market over the next 5 years.
Platforms that can really go deep under the hood into Android and iOS.
Excited to be here. This is an amazing conference. Presentation has been really intense.
It's been good. It's nice to get the first-hand knowledge from the actual company and professionals.